Hello everyone. So let's get started with biometrics for Canada. So let's see what is biometrics first. So basically biometrics is something we have to give, like we have to give our fingerprints, our photos. Okay, we give biometrics like every 10 years. So we don't have to give biometrics again until the 10-year period expires. So if you give biometrics in the past as part of an application for like your visitor visa or work permit application or study permit application, so in that case your biometrics it will be valid for around 10 years, and then after 10 years only you have to give the biometrics again. Okay, so let's look at the process what takes place when we have to give the biometrics for Canada. So recently, I filed an application for my spouse, which was a spousal open work permit application. In that particular application, like after filing the application within 1 or 2 days, we got a request for getting our biometrics done. So we basically received a message on our email ID which said that there is an important message on our profile. On our CIC profile, we went over there and we received a PDF which was your biometrics instruction letter, okay, and which will be present on your IRCC account. And this biometrics instruction letter will take this letter when we will go for our biometrics. So after receiving this letter, we went to the VFS website, and we over the website we can see the relevant date, and we took the appointment based on our availability and based on the availability of the dates. So since we filed our visa for around say in mid of July, there was a lot of rush for filing the biometric. So the date we got was after 1.5 months. We did our biometrics done recently, and then we selected the nearest vac center. We selected the city. You can choose the city as well, whichever city the appointment is available, and the date on which you want to get your appointment done. Then you will receive a mail, which is an appointment confirmation mail, and this mail will contain basically an appointment letter, and which will confirm your appointment. You can also reschedule your appointment, but I would not suggest you to reschedule your appointment because it's really difficult to even get appointments nowadays. So once you get an appointment, make sure that you go to the vac center on that particular day. Okay, and these are some of the documents that you need to carry with you when you go to the when you go for your biometrics. You need to carry your biometric instruction letter. You need to carry the appointment letter which you received once your appointment was confirmed with the vac center. They also mentioned that you have to carry a consent form giving them allowing them to take your biometrics and keeping it in their records. But when I went for the biometrics, it was not required. They didn't ask for the consent form. But to be on the safe side, you can carry the consent form with you. Okay, and then on the appointment day, we went over there. So my experience of biometrics was on the appointment day. We went to the biometric center. We went like the half an hour prior to our appointment time, and we were called upon, and then they were following all uh, they were taking all the precautions necessary to avoid this COVID-19 situation, and they were sanitizing and all. There was a proper queue, and they asked us to follow certain rules, and then there were different counters on which we had to go. We have to show our documents, and there was a we were given a token, and according to that token we were being called. They also offered me premium services, but I didn't take the premium service. And premium service is basically a service that they provide where in which you need to pay a little bit of extra amount, and you will be allowed to sit in a premium lounge, and over there you can sit for some time for the waiting time till you are being called upon for your biometric. Other important services like when you have to send your passport, so they will help you out in sending out the passport and all those things. So I didn't opt for premium service. I went for the normal service. And after being called upon, I was asked to remove my mask, and my photo was being clicked and my fingerprints were being taken. So this process took roughly 10 to 15 minutes. And after this was done, I was given a receipt which had the information about that my biometric is being done. And one more thing, my biometric was updated within a day. Um, Within a day, it was being updated on my application on my profile. So it was a smooth experience. Biometrics experience was a smooth one, and people were quite friendly. So I went to Bangalore back office, and it was nice and friendly environment, and people were really cooperative. So I would say that it was a nice experience, and all the best to everyone who are filing their applications for Canadian visa. Thank you.